Gotham Knights UI rework. Crafting screen. Navigation. All the buttons are in frames, text all caps, and alert icons are a bit invasive. Let's change that. This is better. Next one. Rank and ability points. Everything is basically separated. The hero, the level of the hero, ability points. Would be interesting to combine the hero and the level. Let's see how it looks. It's better. Next up, items list. Power number feels a bit too large and the crafting ready label feel a bit overused. Let's try to put them in a category instead. This would be useful because we use the filter anyway. It's sorted by power at the moment. So let's see how that looks. Not bad. We also had space to include the rarity level and the ready to craft being replaced with an icon. Next, let's take a look at the info. I'm not really sure why we have to repeat the information, rarity, level and power. They are already on the list items. Also, not sure why the salvage requirement is not part of these details. They should be together. It also doesn't really work how it would cover the hero art. So let's change that. Yeah, it feels better to me. What do you think? Next section is going to be the information hierarchy. In the original design, we'll see the hero art, the selected item, and then the information with the interaction. It just feels weird how the hero art is on the left and the information on the right. This makes the player going through the items, they'll have to go left to see the preview and then right to see the info. So creates this zigzaggy kind of pattern. That's not great. Let's change it. Let's change the way that the items list on the left so people can navigate between them and see the preview in the middle updating and then the information as well. Let's place the interaction button just directly under the info and let's use a button instead of just having this prompt. I think this feels much better. Yeah, now what I'm missing is a little bit of personality, so let's add to it. Here to the top navigation, nice. Here to the ability point, awesome. And here to the list elements. But we can also add here to the craft button. Or let's change the hero art. Yeah, this is much better. And the background. Yeah, this is very much like Gotham. I love it. So which one do you prefer? The original? Or the rework? Thanks for watching this content and please subscribe if you haven't. And leave a like. Thank you.